Story 40. A man was sleeping dead drunk on the highway, and the bridle of spontaneity had slipped from his hands. A hermit passed near him and considered the disgraceful condition he was in. The youth raised his head and recited, "When they pass near something contemptible, they passed it kindly. When thou beholdest a sinner, be concealing and meek. Turn not thy face from a sinner, O anchorite. Look upon him with benignity. If I am ignoble in my actions, pass me by like a noble fellow." You know, if you're not actually dressing wrong, just don't cause problems. But encourage the good in people. Just show a good example. Sometimes you can't always just get out there and, you know,